It's going to be okay. We'll get through this together, okay?
I don't know if I can.
We can. Look, there's so many different things that
Like what?
we can make stuff. You know how crafty we are, girl.
No, I went to Target. I went to Walmart. Everybody's out of everything. And, I mean, even the AC filters are going.
Well, I understand, but there's so many things. The good Lord produces stuff that we can use.
Like what, Tina Louise?
Well, let me look. Let me look at my desk. I keep all kind of things in here.
You do?
Yeah, girl. Look. This is what we're going to do to save our
Really?
Yep. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be a lot of fun. You want to do a project?
I do.
Okay. I love that sweet
Thank
little
you.
smile on your face. I knew I'd make you smile. So here
Let
you
me
go.
get one of these real quick.
Yeah, take a sip. You need me to help you
When I
there?
get sad, I get real thirsty.
Well, you get real clumsy too, but that's okay.
As always.
Well, look, I was thinking about this the other day, and I told my beau that we need to be prepared.
Yeah, I agree.
But you know, if these protect our hooch, they're going to protect our nose
That's
and
true.
our mouth, right?
Yeah.
Think about it. Think about it.
I didn't even think about that.
Yeah.
What do we do?
Well, what we're going to do is, here, I'll let you take this. Because
Okay.
I've been thinking about this, and I knew you'd be over here in no time. So what you need to do is we're going to cut little straps. Here's my little trusty scissors right here.
Okay.
And you're going
How
to
long
cut
does
it.
my strap need
How
to be?
big are your ears? Let me look.
They're little.
Man. You think they're little. Somebody lied to you.
Thanks.
So what we're going to do is, I think, how we have to do it. Let me think, because I want to get it right. So we are going to staple here and here.
Okay.
Now, let me see if I might need it a little bigger.
Is this going to fit my face?
Well,
Do you do it like this or
No, the
like
other
that?
way. The other way.
Oh, this way.
Yes.
But this side smells good.
Well, I know, and don't worry about the chemicals in it.
Oh, they're not harmful?
No. Well, I
They
can't
have
say that
gluten?
they're gluten-free. They definitely are gluten-free.
Oh, that's good.
So what we're going to do, the very first thing we're going to do, so I can show you, is staple this, and I'm going to let you do it, because I've already made some, because I knew this would be upsetting you. So go ahead and staple that
You're
onto
such
this side
a
of
good
the penny
friend.
shield.
I don't know what I would do without you.
You'd be lost, but it's okay.
I know, like
Mama
that.
needs a drink, Jesus.
Kind of like that, right? You just staple it. Okay, I'm not real good at stapling.
It's like a do-it-yourself. Give room for those ears.
Yes. Ooh, I feel so shaky.
You needed this, girl.
I did.
You needed some sister time. There you go. There you go. Now try it on. Let's see what it looks like. You're doing good.
And my ears are a little big. Like I said.
I know. I'm your friend. I'm going to tell you the truth. I ain't going to lie to you.
Like that.
Perfect. Look at that.
This is
Look
good.
at that. So now, go ahead and take it off. We're going to play with it a little
It
bit.
smells real good.
I know. Think about your JJ, how it smells.
Probably want to use clean ones though, right?
Definitely.
I mean, unless things get real bad.
Then you just use whatever you can grab. Just don't grab it off anybody else.
Oh,
That's what I would say.
that is too far.
Yeah, that's call it. You should still not lose your sex appeal just because we have to go through this right now.
Yes.
And pollen is really high. So if you are not finding masks at Target or at Wally Mart, we need to do something to protect ourselves. So I think you should draw something on it. What do you think?
My husband's always like real big lips.
Draw some lips. Now that you said that, I got to show you something, and I want you to get that mirror right behind you. Let me reach it. I can reach it. It's easier for me, with everything in the way. Let me go ahead and get. So I brought this mirror. And I'm gonna
Lights up and everything.
Oh, wait. I want it to look this way. Let me move your drinks. Are you okay? Is
Yeah.
that enough for you?
Yeah, I'm good.
So there's this mirror. Tell me how you could see yourself. And I made some because I knew you were coming over.
There we go.
So go ahead and put your mask on. I made some little lips. Oh, here.
You did?
I did. Yes, I did. and they stick. So look.
Oh. That's good. Oh.
Look at you.
My glasses are fogging up real bad there, Tina Louise.
I know. So look, even if your man is worried about it, you put that penny shield on him, girl.
Yeah.
And I'm going to show you. We gotta. Yes, I did. Your glasses are fogging up so bad. Yeah. So look at this. Look at me. Look at me. Oh my. Look how great you look. So I thought
Really
that would
well.
be perfect. Do you feel better already?
I do.
Okay, there's one more other thing. Where is it? Oh.
I'm so excited
So
to share
look
this.
at this. Look at this, girl. See, I knew. So keep that on. And do you feel like you're fully protected though? See, your nose is showing right now.
Yeah, it
I'm a
is.
little worried about that.
That's true.
So
But I got eye protection on.
You do have a lot of protection on. So I went to Wally World and see this. This is for your nose. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
How does that work?
I'm fixing to show you, girl, because it's just so good. So let me get right below the lip area a little bit. I'm going to just put it in. Let me cut it
Am I
off
going
just
to
to
be
show you.
able to breathe?
Yeah. I want it to look like natural nostrils.
Yeah.
So I've got Put it on.
It could go under my glasses.
Yes. Put it on. Nostrils. I even got your little frown line up here.
Oh,
And you can see your nostrils real good. I'll put you some freckles on there.
and this would be good going out to the
I
park
think so. I think so.
because the pollen's real bad lately.
Let me get a picture
I
of you.
don't
Where's my
know.
cell phone?
I don't know what I do.
I don't either. But you look so sexy right now. So don't worry about pollen. Don't worry about the flu. Don't worry about, what is it called? Some virus going around right now. But let me get a picture of you because I want to share it with my friends. Can you tilt your head to the left? The other left. There you go. You look so sexy. I think your man's going to love it.
I do too.
Okay. Do you feel better?
I do feel better.
Aw,
I
just
really
a little
appreciate
time with
it.
T. Louise, honey,
That's all I
please.
needed.
Anytime you want to come, okay? I will help you out.
Thank you, Tina.
I love you.
You saved my life.
I know you were just so scared. It's
I was.
okay. It's going to be okay. We're going to get through this together.
Thank
Okay?
you.
You're welcome. All right. Don't she look wonderful, y'all? Join us again for another episode of Honey Please with T. Louise. Thank you for coming. That's a penis in between.